All right, holla at your boy. I'm over here at Nibbles Enclosure. Nibbles is my normal Burmese python, and I call her Nibbles because she used to bite as a baby. So we got her a quail today, and then got to get it where the head is, so she could take it down. They already took the skin off of it, so here you go, girl. You want it? Just gotta make sure she don't get my hand, and she get just the bird. Gotta make it wiggle like as if it's alive, so she can see it. She's not gonna just go at it if I just let it sit there. She has to like lock her teeth in for her to really want to eat it. Come on, girl. Come on. I make the bird sounds. Doing the best I could. See, she wanted it. It smelled like the food. Oh, there we go. That's the nicest I've ever seen her take something from me. She's normally pretty violent about it. But maybe she knows that, it's not, she don't have to strangle it. But she's definitely hungry. And you could see she really wanted that quail. So, I'll let your boy people. It's another Burmese python feeding. Get to see how long it takes for her to digest this thing or take it down. See the little breathing straw inside of her mouth so she could breathe while eating at the same time. But that's pretty cool that she knows she don't have to strangle it at this point. And I made sure it was nice and fresh. I just came from the farm where they supply these quails. And they just gave me these quails. And they defeathered it. So the quail is nice and warm. It's not even cold. It's just don't have any feathers, which might make it easier for Nibbles to digest it. We'll see how it goes. This is my first time feeding them farm-raised quails with no feathers on it. So I really wanted to know how she was going to respond to that. But everything's going well. She seemed to like them. And if she likes this quail, I have another one for her. Yep, she's just going to swallow it whole. She already got the head down there. It should taste better without the feathers on it, so I'll let you know how this goes, people, in case you got a Burmese python y'all want to go ahead and feed some quails to. It's just when it's not alive, I can't just throw it in there and expect for her to eat it. She's not going to find it. I have to make it wiggle, move, and then it still has to be warm at the same time. So she really wants that warm body feeling. But, this quail was never frozen and thawed. It's definitely fresh. So, straight from the farm. Normally, I do feed her live quails, and she enjoys the hunt having to find the quail and having to go get it. So right now, she's stretching her jaws for the large object she got to take down. So this is pretty cool. If she can actually eat this and then digest it well, then I know I can go back to this farm and get more quails for my snake to eat and not have anything to worry about. Because not all the time I can get a live quail. But if this market provides them fresh, and they take them down and take all the feathers off of them and give them to you right from the farm, then this is a great opportunity to possibly save some money because they gave me at least 6 for $25. Inexpensive to feed the snake. I called another pet store and they told me that it was going to cost at least $20 per rat. And the rat probably was going to be the same size as the quail. You know? So if you're paying $20 a rat and my snakes would take down at least 2 of these objects this big, about as big as this quail, then I'm $40 in on just feeding one snake. And I have a lot of other snakes to feed, so seem to be going down pretty easy. Nibbles might even digest this a little bit faster than eating the stuff with the feathers on it, because when they poop, the feathers come out. Like she's not digesting the feathers, but they do come out. So without no feathers on it this time, might be a lot easier for her stomach. She might like it a lot better this way. It's definitely going in there now. Yeah, she made it past the feet. She'd go a lot faster now. All right, down goes the quail. Oh, she has the feet left. Eating some of these little wood chips ain't gonna affect her at all. All she's gonna do is poop them out. Like I seen them in the poop, because I clean her tank all the time, so it doesn't affect how she eats or anything like that. You could see she really don't like the taste of the wood chips, but whenever she normally finishes her prey, she works to get those wood chips out. And she's pretty much using the rest of her body to pull it back down into the stomach area. It's going to go right past her neck, and then she can crush it down and break the bones with it, inside of her body. All right, you see, she's working that piece of wood chip out of her mouth. And she's crushing down the quail inside of her body. Looks like against her water bowl. So you can see the quail inside of her body. All right, people, so that only took 15 minutes. for her to go ahead and finish a quail. Look at that. She's looking for another one. She's probably going to strike my phone, which I don't want to happen. So, holla at your boy, people. We're going to go ahead and feed her another quail as soon as she finish crushing that one down. Make sure y'all hit that like button. This your boy KP from KP Reptiles. You want another one? All right. Peace out, people.